In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply filters to Google Meet. Whether you're meeting with colleagues, taking an online class, or just catching up with friends, adding a little flair to your video feed can make the experience more engaging and fun. So, let's dive into the process step by step. First, you'll want to open Google Meet on your computer. Launch your preferred web browser and type in Google Meet, or simply use a bookmarked link if you have one. Once there, sign in with your Google account if you haven't already. After logging in, you'll be at the home page, ready to either join a meeting that's already scheduled or start one yourself. Now, whether joining or initiating, you'll need to be in an active meeting to apply these fun features. If you're starting a meeting, simply click on New Meeting and choose one of the available options. Alternatively, if you're joining a meeting, use the provided meeting code to gain access. Once you're inside, you'll see the familiar interface you may already be accustomed to, where you can see yourself and others on the call. Next, look to the bottom right corner of your screen. The three-dot menu, often labeled as More Options, holds the key to personalizing your video feed. Click on this menu to reveal various settings and adjusters designed to enhance your meeting experience. In this menu, you'll find an option that will either say Apply Visual Effects or Background and Effects, depending on the version of Google Meet you are using. Select this option to continue to the next phase of personalization. This is where the fun begins. Browse through the available filters, styles, or effects. These range from subtle lighting adjustments to amusing hats and masks, giving you the opportunity to choose what suits your mood or theme for the meeting. Simply click on any filter to apply it instantly to your video stream. The effect is both recognizable and reversible, meaning you can trial several options until you find the perfect look. Once selected, the filter or effect will appear live in your video feed. Anyone viewing the meeting will see this effect applied, offering a personalized touch to your presentation or conversation. These visual effects don't require any downloads or additional setup beyond initial selection, which makes the process quick and hassle-free. That's all there is to it. Enhancing your Google Meet sessions with filters and effects is not only a straightforward process, but a surefire way to bring energy and fun to any meeting. With these simple steps, you'll be ready to transform your next virtual encounter into an engaging, personalized experience. Thanks for watching, and go ahead and give it a try on your next call.